Do you know how much Tesla has cut prices in China? Tesla officially announced that the starting price of the Model 3 has dropped to 229,900 yuan, and the Model Y has dropped to 259,900 yuan. The price reduction of Model 3 is 20,000 to 36,000, and the price of Model Y is 29,000 to 48,000. In this round of price cuts, the highest drop for Tesla Model Y was as high as 48,000 yuan. Tesla was really in a hurry and took the lead in firing the first shot in the 2023 electric vehicle price war. In September 2022, the starting price of the Tesla Model 3 is still 279,900. But after entering October, and only 2 months have passed, the starting price of Tesla Model 3 has dropped to 229,900 yuan. Only 2 months later, the price gap was as high as 50,000 yuan. In China, a Tesla Model 3 costs about 12,000 yuan a year for electricity, maintenance, insurance, and other comprehensive expenses. The money saved from the price reduction alone can be used by a Tesla Model 3 owner for 4 years for free. In this wave of price cuts, the owners who bought Tesla cars at the original price were the most injured. I still remember that when the price of Ideal One was reduced by 20,000 in September last year, it received a large number of complaints from car owners. I don't know if Tesla's sharp price cuts will cause dissatisfaction among Tesla owners. In a previously released video about the shutdown of Tesla's Shanghai factory, I inferred that after entering 2023, China's new energy vehicle market will usher in a brutal price war. But what I didn't expect was that Tesla was the first to initiate this brutal price war. Although Tesla's orders in China have fallen sharply, Tesla's net profit is high enough after all. Tesla has plenty of reasons not to cut prices. But just entering 2023, Tesla was the first to start a price war. Someone once asked me, will BYD cut prices? My answer is that Tesla will cut prices, but BYD will not, and it will increase prices. Because Tesla already has global brand awareness and is the pioneer of electric smart cars. Its brand premium is high enough. According to Tesla's 2022 mid-year report, Tesla's single-car profit is as high as 69,000 yuan. Beyond Mercedes-Benz and BMW, it is the most profitable new energy car company in the world. In other words, Tesla's brand premium can make it more calm to face the price war, and it has enough room for price reduction. BYD, on the contrary, faces the problem of low profits. In 2022, BYD's profit per car was about 10,000 yuan. Compared with Tesla, BYD's single-vehicle profit still has a big gap, but compared with China's domestic Geely, Great Wall, and Chery, its single-vehicle profit is already in a leading position. After all, advanced technology brings excess profits. Last year, it was widely rumored on the internet that the profit of BYD per car was less than 2,000 yuan. In my opinion, this is a smear and slander against technological innovation companies. If the profits of technologically innovative companies are lower than those of non-innovative companies, then R&D investment cannot achieve a positive cycle. In the field of manufacturing, advanced technology brings excess profits, which is the most conventional market rule. So, will this price war initiated by Tesla be a fatal blow to BYD? Will Tesla's price cut trigger a full-scale price war for China's new energy vehicles? Okay, welcome back to Auto Age. That and more is exactly what we are going to talk about. Let's get started. After entering 2023, BYD and Tesla have adopted diametrically opposite strategies. BYD did not cut prices, on the contrary, it raised prices. On December 31, 2022, BYD announced that the prices of all its models will increase by 2,000 to 6,000 yuan. The confidence for BYD's price increase comes from the huge number of orders it has accumulated. Don't underestimate the price increase of 2,000 to 6,000 yuan. Judging from BYD's monthly sales of more than 200,000 units, this can increase BYD's monthly income by 400 to 120 million yuan, and increase revenue by 4.8 to 14.4 billion yuan a year. And Tesla's net profit per car will be greatly reduced, benefiting consumers. In terms of price wars, Tesla has two natural advantages. One is that Tesla adopts a direct sales model, and no dealers make the price difference. Car owners basically place orders online and pick up their cars offline. Second, Tesla's brand premium is high enough. The Tesla Model 3 was sold from 279,900 to 229,900, and the price was reduced by 50,000, which is still profitable. So, will this price war initiated by Tesla be a fatal blow to BYD? In my opinion, the price war started by Tesla has no major impact on BYD. In China, the owners of Tesla and BYD are almost completely two consumer groups, mutually exclusive and incompatible. Tesla's price cuts have the biggest impact on SPANG Motors. SPANG Motors focuses on autonomous driving in terms of brand recognition, and is highly benchmarked against Tesla. SPANG P7 is the main model of SPANG Motors, and the manufacturer's guide price of SPANG P7 is 239,900 yuan, and the actual transaction price is around 220,000 yuan. In a word, the price of Tesla Model 3 is just in the price range of SPANG P7, which has a direct impact on SPANG Motors. In terms of product form, SPANG P7 and Tesla Model 3 are also highly consistent, while leading Ideal Auto and NIO Auto mainly focus on products with more than 300,000 yuan. Among them, the starting price of NIO's newly launched ES8 has reached 528,000 yuan. When the price of Tesla Model 3 was reduced to 229,900 yuan, it opened up the price gap with users of Ideal Auto and NIO Automobile. Other new energy vehicles in China mainly focus on models with a price of less than 200,000 yuan, which also widens the price gap with the Tesla Model 3 consumer group. Another main model of SPANG Motors, SPANG G9, has a price range of 300,000 to 350,000 yuan, but the starting price of Tesla Model Y has dropped to 259,000 yuan. Obviously, SPANG Motors is under great pressure. Many people believe that Tesla's price reduction will set off a comprehensive price war for China's new energy vehicles. This is wrong. Because for most of China's emerging new energy car companies, they have no room to cut prices. In the past 2022, all new Chinese car-making forces have suffered serious losses. If you continue to cut prices, you will only lose more. What they have to do is to maintain the original price and increase sales, or increase the price and maintain sales. At this time, only Tesla holds the trump card of price reduction, and only Tesla has the most room for price reduction. This means that 229,900 yuan is not the bottom line for the price of Tesla Model 3. If the boost to sales does not improve, Tesla Model 3 will usher in a wave of new price cuts before or after the launch of Tesla's new car. Besides, every price cut by Tesla will have a strong impact on fuel vehicles. If Tesla launches a battery electric vehicle worth around 150,000 yuan, basically, these fuel vehicles will not be sold. Therefore, in my opinion, 2023 is not only a knockout for new energy vehicles, but also a knockout for joint venture fuel vehicles. China's domestic self-owned brands will continue to improve, while joint venture foreign brands will decline. This is basically the main theme of the Chinese auto market in 2023. Do you agree with me? Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below, and share your insightful ideas with other people. Your precious time with us is highly appreciated. See you.